Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read the sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. Say all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. This session is not going to go very long. This I will keep it very short. How about within 2 to 3 minutes? Let me give it a try. So this session, I'm going to read about the amendment of 18th Amendment and the 21st Amendment. Okay, so that way we all can be aware that it was created for a healthy purpose, but sadly the USA government, the Republican government, and the Democrat government, forever, they never provided that amendment at all. So that it's another $1 trillion of scandal. It's a crime, right? It's a live crime, I'm proving it. And the year now is 2021, and this amendment was created in the 1917 and approved in 1919. And if you see, it came around the same time that pandemic hit USA. So it has a pattern. And around that time, between 1917 or between 1920 to between 1935, 1945, around that time there was a famine, there was depression, recession. These are all the patterns. And then the Holocaust, right? The World War II, those things. So that means everything has a pattern. Nobody knew who created it. It is Queen Elizabeth II only created it. It is Pope Francis only created it. Nobody knew. But today, 2021, in March, it is me, it is I, Vedapriya Prose, who is going to get civil justice for whatever population was undergoing for an injustice in the year 1917 to 1919. So I will read the 18th Amendment, and it will be a reminder into the years for foolish President Trump and foolish President Joe Biden. They are going to faint and pass out. So they don't know what is a nation, they don't know what is amendment, they don't know what is raw law, nothing. What would you all have done? Okay, let me quickly read. The 18th Amendment of the Constitution of the United States reads like this. Section 1. After 1 year from the ratification of this article, the manufacture, sale, or transportation of intoxicating liquors within the importation thereof, into or the exportation thereof from the United States and all territory subject to the jurisdiction thereof for beverage purposes is hereby prohibited. Section 2. The Congress and the several states shall have concurrent power to enforce this article by appropriate legislation submitted in 1917 and approved in 1919. I don't know when Walmart was started. Was they even educated about this 18th Amendment? Is it my job to step in and educate President Trump and President Joe Biden about the 18th Amendment? When President Joe Biden is a law, in my book of civil law, I'm just displaying how and why exactly President Trump is innocent. And President Joe Biden is not. And the 21st Amendment says, the Section 2 of the 21st Amendment says, the transportation or importation into any state, territory, or possession of the United States for delivery or use therein of intoxicating liquors in violation of the laws thereof is hereby prohibited. Now tell me what on the earth the Walmart is going to say about this amendment, 18th Amendment and the 21st Amendment as of this moment, March of 2021, and that too when the nations are worldwide are in the deadliest crisis of COVID-19. Poison, alcohol is poison. It is clearly written in the amendment, do not sell. Do not import alcohol, do not export alcohol from United States of America. Do not be a drug dealer. It's clearly written. I'm proving it. So that means Walmart must be sealed and shut down immediately, isn't it? What would you all have done? Is it my job to educate President Joe Biden, who is a lawyer his entire life, that about President Joe Biden, see, there is the 18th Amendment of USA and also 21st Amendment of USA that says that do not sell any poison alcohol in United States of America. Why on the earth Walmart is selling the poison to the population? Can you all get the crime I'm talking about? The severity of the crime? It's not a joke. Because all along for the past 500 years, insurance software services have been written wrong, isn't it? Auto insurance services have been written wrong. Their rate calculator, the premium calculator, everything is wrong. Crime. Health insurance calculated the premium wrong. We all have been paying lot of dollars, state tax, federal tax, when everything is wrong. I said what in one sentence to the Hewlett Packard? Oh no, this Medicaid, Medicare, entire thing is wrong. Just scrap it. They laid me off. Today they're going to pay the price, isn't it? When Walmart is going to shut down, Hewlett Packard will shut down. When Walmart is shut down, Apple, all the software services will shut down. Everybody freaked out. And you all got it why Walmart threw acid on my face. 300 million population are there. They don't even know what is amendment. Pathetic. People use smartphones, robots, everything. No education whatsoever. What is an amendment? How the holy law is destroyed in pieces. What would you all have done, my dear fellow mankind? What would you all have done? Now tell me, you go see in this testimony, I have provided a screenshot with 18th Amendment, with 20th Amendment, side by side, Queen Elizabeth II drinking alcohol, and the state of Tennessee, you got it. You got it. When I was educating, you got it why the state of Tennessee was having that weird kind of an incident. a truck came and provided a blast? It's because they wanted to convey a message. The state of Tennessee has headquartered what? Alcohol, the poison. So Department of Health Services provides 0%, zero loan, free loans to have that poison alcohol facility. But the same Department of Health Services never educated finance services to provide affordable housing loans when an unemployed people, civilians like me, go and ask for help. Or even if I go and ask for a immediate short-term loans, the Pope Francis and the Department of Health Services says, reject, do not help them. Why? Why? You all got it, right? So you all got it now. This is a live testimony of proof why Queen Elizabeth II killed Hitler. It is the deadliest crime on side, and it is a deadliest life proof on side, and then civil justice for Hitler, innocent man, I'm providing after 100 years old. 1889 to today is what, 2029. 2021. Right? So now got it when I slapped on the face of Germans, why the Germans, they just fell down on the knees before me. I educated what is conscience, isn't it? They are all fans of, by default, they're all fans of Hitler. They will not say it out loud, but they are fans of Hitler. So I educated, when you're fans of Hitler, Hitler banned alcohol and tobacco. Why on the earth United States of America created that? It's a crime, isn't it? Costco is selling poison. Target is selling poison alcohol. And insurance is written in a legalized way. It is okay to drink alcohol. How many alcohol stores are there? Why? So this session nails it down, the crime, the true criminal. You all must be working who created alcohol. It is clearly written in this 18th Amendment and the 21st Amendment, how it was just ignored because Queen Elizabeth, the Britain colonization was undertaking USA. USA became helpless mode. Now, can you all witness why on the earth that Statue of Liberty became invalid, disqualified after all? And France is indeed a deadliest paganist nation. It is a one Islam nation. French is one of the official language among the Islam. Do you know that? Do you even know that? French Revolution, French went wherever, even in Canada. You know French is one of the official language in Canada, right? How cunning they are. How cunning. But today they all will pay the price. Today they all will pay the price, $15,000 trillion to be direct deposited in my bank accounts. Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and all the absolute monarchs is going to puke the dollars, no matter what. Oh yes, I am the worst kind of a tax collector that USA wants this moment. Right? So yeah, that's pretty much about this. I wanted to make it short, but even that short went to 11 minutes because I have to talk about this 21st Amendment and 18th Amendment. I have to prove why President Joe Biden can never be a leader. He should get out of the White House immediately. Right? So there is a law in place, but they never used it. They never provided it. It was approved in 1919. 1919 went, and today, how many years? Let's say 20, 30, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, almost 70, 80 plus, right? Years passed. They never even provided this amendment. That itself is a crime, right? So feeding poison to the population is one crime. And nation never used the healthy law to be active. That is another crime. What is President Joe Biden going to do about that, because he is a lawyer? And I have to educate all the 300 millions of innocent population of Americans, United States of America. See, this is the 18th Amendment. See, this is the 21st Amendment. See, the USA government, the Republican government, they never bothered to activate this amendment law. The Democrat population, they never mandated this amendment to be in the law. Because why? Everybody want to drink alcohol. Right? For the tax revenue. What would you all have done? Can you see why exactly the retailers threw acid on my face? Because they got freaked out. Because I was displaying only raw crime, nothing but the crime of the Walmart and all the retailers that have been feeding poison. They are the drug dealers after all. And this law says, do not sell. Do not sell what? Intoxicated liquor in any form. Do not export the liquor. Do not import the liquor. What is Walmart going to say about this 18th Amendment? I don't know. I am helpless mode. I am displaying the crime. I am just saying, please pay $1,500,000 trillion in the bank account. That's all. Right? It is beyond throwing acid on me. This crime is so deadly, my dear fellow mankind. Can you all even understand it? It's way beyond selling the war equipments and those drugs. It comes under the deadliest drug dealing processing after all. I don't know where on the earth the Walmart is going to end up at. I already said the CEO of Walmart must be in a very bad shape right now. Freaked out mode. But all I can say is, USA have to sign the job offer to me immediately. I have to step in and I have to guide this Walmart. Don't you think so? I have to sit side by side with the Walmart and guide them. How the retail services must be provided. I have to teach them. It's just the healthy guidance that needs to be provided, that's all. And I'm displaying every crime in a multitasking way. So this session took 14 minutes and I want to leave it as is, and I will end the session. But this session is all about how the Department of Justice is broken in pieces. All the Senate, I proved they all must go to the jail for this crime they provided. It's not even crime of Walmart alone. It's a crime of Senate. It's crime of Mitch McConnell. It's crime of Schumer. It's crime of Nancy Pelosi. It's crime of every single Senate in the United States of America. It's a crime of GOP, Congress, House of Representatives. Do they even know what is the severity of that law that has been amended, that has been created? I don't know. USA just got collapsed in pieces, right? Why nobody stood up and educated the USA the rightful way? Can you see how just because wisdom education was not provided to the USA government, today USA is in collapse mode. The government is collapsed in pieces, right? Can you see? Nobody can help USA. Everybody worldwide is laughing at USA. It became a mockery. For me, I do not like that where people mock at other people. And USA is my nation. I just could not tolerate that. And my blood is still boiling on that end. But beyond everything, it clearly says, the law says, do not sell alcohol in the United States of America. How many restaurants, Olive Garden, they all sell alcohol, isn't it? They all have to go to the jail only. Without awareness, everybody fallen in trap, helpless mode. I can step in, I can help them out. For that, USA have to sign the job offer to me immediately. Got it? So thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.